guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hi, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my Jeffree Star mystery bag from Beautylish. I did order 2 of the mystery bags just because I kind of saw some spoilers and it looked like people got some pretty good items in there. Again, like I said in my last video, I enjoy Jeffree's makeup products. His formulas are really good. I know he's problematic, but there's so many other people who are problematic that are still being supported, so I'm gonna leave it at that. But yeah, if you guys would like to see what I got in my Beautylish Jeffree mystery bag, then just keep on watching. So I've already tried to film this and the footage was just really blurry. It looked fine on my monitor and everything, but like when I exported it, it just did not look right. So I am refilming this, so I already know what I have in the boxes. I'm not sure what items came in the first mystery bag as well as the second mystery bag. There's a couple duplicates, so I had a feeling, you know, those are in one of each, but I couldn't pinpoint the non-duplicates to see what was in what bag. It all just came in one big bag in the Beautylish box. Beautylish comes with a free sample, but you guys are here for the Jeffree products, not my Beautylish sample, so I'm not even going to show that. Alright, so the Beautylish mystery bags were $75 each, but for the first items, they already make up like 75% of the retail cost for the mystery bags. So I got a Bloodlust palette and a cremated palette. I actually have cremated already. My friend Becca actually gifted this to me because she wasn't using it as much. So this is what cremated looks like. I'm actually going to be giving this to a friend. But again, since I have already filmed this and stuff, I already knew what were duplicates and I had sent pictures and stuff to my friends asking if they would like those already. So I already know what I'm going to be giving away and what I'm going to have, all that stuff. This is what the palette looks like. I don't wear cool tones so much on my eyes, but if I ever wanted to do a black smoky eye, I've got the perfect shades for it. When Becca asked if I would wanted it, I knew I would be able to utilize it to shade my body paints because I could have that cool tone shadow. But yeah, definitely excited to play around with these for body paints, and if I didn't already have this one from Becca, I definitely would have kept this for that reason. And the white is one of the best whites I've ever tried. I might actually have to pick up one of his singles in that white shade just because it's the best white I've ever used. Alright, then for the Bloodlust palette, this one is so beautiful. One of my friends actually has this palette, so when she's come over or when I've gone over to her house, I've played with it and it is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to use this on my eyeballs. I mean, like I said, I've already used it, but like to use my palette on my eyeballs. I love the Vile Serpent shade just because, I mean, it's my type of color and I love snakes. So yeah, I really enjoy this and I'm really happy I got this one in the mystery box. Alright, so the next eyeshadows are actually duplicates. We got 2 of the mini this palette, and this is what the palette looks like. It's the same as the unit carton, just not in like full-on color there, but it is just a gorgeous 9-pan shimmer palette, and this would pair well with like any matte neutral look. If I just have like a matte palette like my Dominique Cosmetics Transition palette or the big palette of this one. So I do prefer more matte heavy palettes, but at least like if I'm looking for a specific shimmer, I know that like I have this one, and if I'm just going full on neutral, I can pack a full matte palette and a full shimmer palette, and I have every single neutral color combo I'm gonna need. So I was very tempted to pick this up just because I love his shimmer formula, so I'm glad I got it in the box and I don't have to spend the full $28 on it. And the other one is going to one of my friends. She said she was interested in it, so yeah, at least that'll have a good home. Another duplicate is the Skin Frost in mint condition. This isn't a duplicate in the box. This is just something I already own as well. And I got mine like literally when it first launched. Like it is so old. You can see like the packaging is kind of falling apart. Yeah, this has been with me for a long time and it's just so pretty. You can go very light-handed with it and then just have like a hint of mint when you turn, but you can also build it up and make it super intense if you want that like minty cheek. It makes a beautiful eyeshadow. A little bit goes such a long way. My one friend said she would take that as well, so at least she'll be getting some use out of it and enjoying it, because I don't need 2 because this is going to last me like 10 lifetimes. So a duplicate in the boxes were the Shockwave Lip Glosses. I'm going to set that aside for a friend. This is the Shockwave shade. So I will do a swatch of it. I do have just lip balm on right now. Alright, so this is the Shockwave shade. It's kind of like a gold-ish base with like pink shimmer to it. I was kind of scared when I saw the pink because on camera it definitely shows really pink, but in person you can kind of see that gold to it. I think it's really pretty and I do really like his gloss formulas, so It's a pretty good shade. I'm glad it's not like something way out of my comfort zone. All right, so the next gloss is Crystal Kiss. This is a clearish white base with pink, so you can definitely see there's more pink in here. Let me show you them side by side. So Crystal Kiss is on top, Shockwave is on the bottom, and I'm going to swatch this one as well, but I'm going to put it on my finger and apply it on my lips because I am giving this to a friend. All right, so this is the Crystal Kiss shade. It definitely has more pink to it. I think just with the clear base, the pink shows through more than like the pink on top of like the goldish base. So the next gloss is Midnight Lick, but I'm so excited for this one. So I love me a good black liquid lipstick, so when I saw that he was coming out with a black gloss, I was very interested in it. All right, so this is what it looks like on. It's not the most opaque, and it's got a good amount of pigment to it. Like you guys can see, it's covered my lips for the most part. I'm looking at my mirror right here, so I'm kind of like looking everywhere, but like you can see some parts are definitely more opaque than others, but it kind of looks like in the lighter parts, which is like a dark purple tint. It's just so pretty. It's definitely different to have such a dark gloss, and again, you might not like the fact that it's like not 100% opaque. I think it's cute, and I definitely need to put this on top of a black liquid lipstick and see how it looks. I don't want to take it off, but I'm gonna have to because I don't really want to go to work in a black lip gloss. Just a little too much for work. All right, so the next two items are gonna be doubles as well, and we have two of the Shane liquid lipsticks from the Jeffree and Shane collab. I was very intrigued when it first came out, but I never bit the bullet on buying it because I wasn't sure if I was really gonna like it or not. This is the color here. It's like a bronzy shade with like a metallic finish. It's just so pretty. All right, so this is what the Shane liquid lipstick looks like on. It is so pretty. Again, there are two of them, so I'm going to see if anybody wants it, but if no one wants it, I'm not complaining. I'll definitely enjoy wearing it. It would be a really pretty eyeshadow color as well. I really enjoy this color way more than I thought I would. It's beautiful. All right, so the next double is the Diet Root Beer Lip Scrub from the same Jeffree and Shane collection. This one smells absolutely delicious. Root beer is one of my favorite sodas. It smells so good. So I'm gonna see if anyone wants the double. None of the people I asked yet want it, but like I don't want to do a giveaway with just two items because that was my other option for, you know, the doubles and everything. I don't want to do one with just two items. So we will see. I just have so many lip scrubs now because I have the watermelon one currently. I got the two in his mystery box from his website. Now I have this one. All right, then we have three more liquid lipsticks. None of these are duplicates. Well, this one, I'll show you guys first. This is Crocodile Tears. I already do have this one, but I have it in the mini where it came in the Blood Money like liquid lipstick mini set. So the bundle for the lips is the Money Honey. I didn't know exactly what the bundle thing was called, but we have Crocodile Tears right here. All right, I did not do a good job with this lip swatch. My mirror is so far away. This side is so jaggedy, but you get the idea of the color. It is such a beautiful dark green. I think it looks absolutely stunning. I love it. I will be keeping this one just because once I use this one up, I'm definitely gonna get my use out of this one. Plus, again, his liquid lipsticks make really pretty eyeshadows, eyeliners. They could be used for like brows and everything, so like I could utilize them in my body paints. All right, so the next shade is Purple Urkel. I'm probably gonna use this just as like eyeliner, eyeshadow, or like a ombre lip shade. But yeah, this is definitely not a shade I would wear on its own. It's just a little bit too bright for me. Okay, so it looks a lot more pink on camera. Like it kind of looks like my Disgust makeup from Inside Out, like that pinky lip I use. That's how it looks on camera. But in person it definitely has more of that purple to it. I don't hate it as much as I thought I would. It's still just not a shade I would be able to wear on its own for me to feel like comfortable in it without being like don't look at my lips. It's very light, so I feel like they're making my teeth look a little more yellow. I mean, I don't have the whitest teeth. Like, I drink my coffee, tea, like, every single day, so I know I don't have the whitest teeth. But I feel like it would be a pretty, like, ombre shade with, like, a darker purple lip or something, so I'll definitely have to play around with that. If not, again, I can utilize it for, you know, specific character looks. And I think for me, like, it makes it a lot easier that I do body painting, that if I do get colors I wouldn't normally wear, I can still utilize them in character looks if people aren't interested in them. It's not like they're fully gonna go to waste. Alright, so then the last liquid lipstick shade is Unicorn Blood. Alright, so this is the color that I wish his tinted lip balm was. Bloodstain, I think it's called. When I saw the packaging of it, I was like, oh, it's gonna be a dark red. And then I read that it was a tinted lip balm and it ended up being like that popsicle stain color. I did not like it at all. This is the red I wish it was because it's such a dark, deep, vampy red. I don't like bright reds, but I love me a good dark red. Alright, so this is what the Unicorn Blood liquid lipstick looks like on. Again, on camera it does look a little bit brighter than it actually is. It's such a deep blood red. So I'm really happy that I got this shade in the mystery box from Beautylish. Alright, so my lips are very mad at me right now for all those lip swatches. I just put a lip balm on and a little bit of a brown lipstick. But anyways, the last two items are two mirrors. This first one I'm super excited for. It's the Jeffree and Shane Pig mirror. This mirror is so big. Like, this is the mirror here. This is going to be perfect for my body paints. You can see my light and everything there. But it's just such a good size mirror. And for handheld mirrors, I don't really do, you know, my regular makeup with them. But like, I use them so much for my body paints because I can get closer and be able to shade better than try to lean into my mirror that's on my desk. And then here we just have one of his star mirrors. Again, this is what it looks like. And the mirror is a little bit smaller than the Shane Pig mirror, but it's still really pretty, and it would be a really good mirror as well for doing my body paints. Alright guys, so that was it for my Beautylish Jeffree Star mystery bag unboxing. Alright, so of the 18 items, the 2 mirrors, and then the 16 makeup-y products, I'm keeping 11 of them. So these are the 7 items I'm going to be giving away to friends. These are the only 2 that have not been claimed by anyone yet, which is the Shane Liquid Lipstick and the Diet Root Beer Lip Scrub. But at least I found a home for these 5 products already. If no one wants them, I will definitely be setting these aside for a giveaway with other items. I just don't want to do a giveaway with 2 items. Alright, so then for myself, I'm keeping the 2 mirrors and then these items right here. We've got the 4 liquid lipsticks, 2 glosses, the mini palette, the big palette, and then the lip scrub. Overall, I'm very happy with the box. I did keep more items than I was getting rid of. I'm not sure which box I like better because I like the fun colors I got in the Beautylish mystery bag, but I also love the neutral lip shades we got in the Jeffree Star Site one, Star Ranch palette, those singles. I don't know, the makeup bag. Overall, like, they were both really good boxes, so I'm not complaining. I definitely got my money's worth out of all 4 boxes I got, so I'm very happy with that. If you guys got Jeffree Star mystery boxes either from his website or the Beautylish ones, let me know what you guys got down below, what your favorite item was, and then what did you think of the items I got? Like, if you got the items I did, would you have been happy with the box, or would you have been like really disappointed just because makeup preferences are so different for everyone? But yeah, so definitely let me know what your guys' thoughts are down below. And with that, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notifications. You guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!